guys, today we're going to be reviewing the ND Ultra by YoyoFactory. So let's get started.
I'm going to be doing a collaboration video with Creativity Weekly very soon, and also I'm going to Missouri to the Gateway Arch, and I'm going to do a cinematic there, so stay tuned for all of this new stuff, as well as a Checkpoint Pivot and Connolly edition review coming up very soon. But let's get into the video. Now I'm going to be doing the review on it because my sister doesn't know how to yo-yo completely yet. She's getting a Checkpoint Pivot and Connolly. In one of the next videos you'll see a review on that, so stay tuned for that. But I got this yo-yo last night, and from playing with it for like a night, it's really nice. One thing, if you like smooth yo-yos and yo-yos that don't have ridges all over them, this is the one. It's like smooth all over it. It's very smooth. You can see it has the Nate Dally signature, his signature, the ND Ultra, and also YoyoFactory's little logo there. If you didn't know, this is Nate Dally's signature. If you don't know who he is, definitely go check him out. Like, just search Nate Dally on YouTube, and you should find him about instantly. This yo-yo is very smooth. It spins for a long time. It's not bimetal, which is kind of unfortunate, even though this yo-yo probably wouldn't be the same if it wasn't bimetal. But we're going to be looking at the insides of it. It has a very long axle. As you can see, it's a lot longer than any other. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but it's a lot longer than any other axle. The response pads are pink, which I've never really used pink response pads before, but I'm sure they'll be fine. Has a center track bearing. I did a little comparison to the Edge before I did the video, and it's the same size as the Edge. So if you want a wide yo-yo that's not bimetal, this is the one, because it's very smooth. Finger spins aren't the greatest on it, but other than that, everything else is very smooth. You can see it's very loud because I just lubed it. Very smooth. It has the perfect amount of weight. Not too heavy, not too light. The response pads are kind of garbage, but it could be just because I just got it, and it's not like responding completely yet. For like side style tricks, what I do, breakaway style, or whatever you want to call it, it is a really good yo-yo for all of that kind of stuff. Now for the finger grind section. As you can see, it is really good for finger grinds, and if you can do a finger grind well, this is going to be a really good yo-yo, and if you can't, it's going to be an easy one to learn it on. It's like air. It feels like air just like spinning on your finger. That's because it's matte paint color. I'm really content with this yo-yo. I really like it a lot. It has a lot of smooth, no rigid edges. And finger spins, it's okay if you can spin it a little bit off-centered, but then when it hits the center and starts spinning out, it's not really that easy to do much out of that. So finger spins, if you're going to just start finger spins, don't use this yo-yo. Just please don't. It's not going to work. If you are kind of advanced at finger spins, perfect yo-yo. And overall, I'd give this one probably a 9 out of 10. I really like this yo-yo a lot. And thank you for watching this video. Remember to check out Creativity Weekly's channel. I will put it in the description and in the end of the video. He's at about 850 subscribers. Let's try and get him to 1,000. Thank you all for watching this video. See you in the next one.